Hello everyone, today we are replacing the Key Fob battery in our Renault Clio 3. These also apply for different Renaults. We're gonna grab a screwdriver. This is just one Phillips screw, and then we're gonna grab a flathead and we're going to pry here in the corner very gently. We don't want to break. And here is the battery that we want to replace. The model number is CR2016. I will show you at the end of the video in the camera. It's exactly what is the model. We just need to push here and then we're going to install back the cover. Press gently all around until it's firmly installed. Now we're going to put back the screw here and we're going to tighten up. After it's installed, this is basically all the process to install the battery. Very simple. It's 3 volt CR2016. Thank you for watching and see you next time.